A cracked heat exchanger can quietly turn a home heating system into a lethal hazard. A heat exchanger separates combustion gases from the indoor air while transferring heat, and a crack allows carbon monoxide to mix with the air circulated through the house so occupants can be exposed without obvious signs. Over time, a small crack can grow from thermal stress or corrosion driven by combustion byproducts, so what begins as a hairline fracture can quickly become a major leak. A leaking exchanger also allows hot combustion gases or flames to reach nearby combustible parts, which raises the risk of a house fire. In addition, disrupted combustion flow can lead to soot buildup and incomplete burning that damages other furnace components and reduces efficiency, so energy costs rise and equipment life shortens. For safety, replace a cracked heat exchanger immediately and do not attempt temporary welds or patching as they can fail under heat cycling. Always shut down the appliance and isolate fuel until a qualified technician has completed the replacement. Install and regularly test at least 3 carbon monoxide detectors on each level of the home and follow the manufacturer guidelines for placement and replacement. Keep air returns and vents clear, and schedule annual combustion appliance inspections to catch early signs of corrosion, rust, or flame rollout before a full crack develops. Common mistakes lead to the worst outcomes, so do not ignore strange odors or intermittent headaches and attribute them to something else, because those are classic signs of carbon monoxide exposure and demand immediate action, which means leaving the home and calling emergency services if symptoms are present. Another frequent error is trying to bypass safety switches or flame sensors to keep heating working, and that is dangerous, so do not override controls. Have a technician diagnose and replace faulty components. A third problem is delaying replacement because of cost concerns, which increases risk of poisoning and fire. So seek a cost estimate and consider payment options rather than running the unit. A temporary space heater and professional help are far safer choices. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide a discussion community where people share experiences and ask questions about safety issues like cracked heat exchangers. We help contractors find work by letting them engage with homeowners and show their services, while our community offers real-world perspectives and practical tips.